In this video, I will show you how to pay on Amazon with your Tremendous gift card. To do this, there are basically two options. First, if you have an Amazon gift card that you got through Tremendous, then what you want to do is just go to Amazon.com, and from there, go and click on your account right there. So just go and click on it, and that will take you right here. Now from here, you want to go to gift cards, and then here click on redeem a gift card. Now here enter the claim code that you got, so just the gift card code that you got from your Tremendous card. So if it's an Amazon card, you can just enter the code right here and then click on apply to your balance, and then the money from the gift card will be automatically applied to your Amazon account balance. Now that's for if you have an Amazon gift card. If you have a prepaid Visa, debit or credit card, then this won't work, and in that case what you will need to do is just go to your card, and from within your card for the payment method, you want to go and click on change, then here add a credit or debit card, and you can see Visa cards are accepted. So then here just add the prepaid Visa gift card that you got and click add your card, and then you can also use it that way. So that's how to use your Tremendous gift card on Amazon. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.